In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find work on Upwork. Whether you're an experienced freelancer or just getting started, finding the right job that suits your skills and experience can be a seamless process with a few strategic steps. Let's dive into it. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Upwork homepage. If you haven't already created an account, be sure to sign up and complete your profile, as this will significantly improve your chances of landing work. Once you're all set up, make sure you are in the Find Work section of the site. This is where you'll be able to view potential job listings that match your skills and expertise. At this point, the interface can seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll break it down to make it more manageable. Once you're in the right section, you can start by typing a keyword related to your field of expertise into the search bar. This will pull up a list of available jobs that fit your specific skill set. After you hit search, you'll notice different filters appearing on the sidebar. These filters allow you to narrow down your job search tremendously, making it easier and faster to find the perfect match for you. A good starting point is to click on Select Categories, where you can refine your search by specific job categories. Tailor these categories to your strengths and what you're interested in. This is particularly helpful if you want to specialize in a certain type of work, like graphic design, writing, or software development. Next, you'll want to click on Experience Level, another crucial filter that can greatly impact your likelihood of getting hired. Upwork jobs are typically categorized into three levels: entry level, intermediate, and expert. By selecting the appropriate experience level, you're ensuring that you're not only applying for jobs that suit your capabilities, but also aligning yourself with employers who are looking for someone just like you. Then navigate to job type and select hourly. This means you're searching for jobs that pay by the hour, which could be preferable if you're looking for a more flexible schedule or want to log your hours for higher transparency. It's also important to consider the number of proposals. This filter helps you see how many other freelancers have already applied for the job. A lower number of proposals often means less competition, increasing your chances of getting hired. Additionally, click on Client Info to learn more about the client. This feature will give you insights into their hiring practices and budget, helping you decide if this client is right for you. Finally, consider the client history to make sure they have a good track record with freelancers. This can often be a telltale sign of a reliable client, which ultimately leads to a more successful working relationship. By following these steps and using Upwork's powerful filtering tools, you're well on your way to finding the perfect freelance job that aligns with your skills and preferences. Thanks for watching, and happy freelancing.